what made you? So to me, I just finished an autobiography on Justice Byron Wright, Supreme Court Justice Byron White.
White, yeah.
And I really enjoyed it. And coming in here, I think it's really interesting to see, how much of a difference the position of a judge can make, in this system. Because police officers, they do have the what's it called? Not like the discrimination, but the ability to determine whether to arrest someone or whether not. Right there in the instance. And then, defense attorneys, by ethics, must, represent their clients as best they can, and prosecutors have to do their jobs. But judges can always step in and, try to seek the best for that person, for the defendant, and for their family, and for the victim. And I think it's a really, great concept that we have that position. But is it hard though, because in the end, judges is a political, unless you're appointed. So is it hard, kind of dealing with the political aspect of it, and then still, once you get elected, being, I guess, truthful to the position you have and to like the duty you've been given?
I think that it's sort of like the King of England and Thomas of Becket. That people may elect you thinking you're going to do one thing, but when you take that oath, you've become a different person. And you've taken an oath and you've sworn that you're going to uphold the Constitution and the laws of the state of Texas. And that's what has to guide you. You cannot
stray away from that.
You can't run a popularity contest.
Right.
You have to be a judge. You have to be true to what you swore, what you do. And my attitude's always been, I'm seeing people at their worst. I'm seeing families at their worst. Why do I want to make it worse than it already is?
Right.
I've got a very rare opportunity to step in and make things better for people. Who wouldn't want to do that? I don't know if I answered your question.
No, I mean, you did. And I mean, one of my favorite, I even wrote it down when you said it, is a kind of a quote that you said is, I care about people as much as they care about themselves.
Yeah.
Because, there's a point where you try to help them, right? You give them alternatives. You try, what can I do to help you? These are the programs that we have available that we can offer you. But, in the end, though, if you can, if they really don't want to take that opportunity, well, then you have to do what you're here to and, uphold the law.
Remember the guy that could go to jail and walk out still a drug addict?
Or go to jail for 6 months.
And he decided he wanted to go to jail.
That
he didn't
blew
want
my
to take
mind.
care of himself. We see it time after time. And you can only
help them as much as they want to be helped.
Exactly. Because the ultimately, people only change as they want to.
Right.
And we've got to give them the tools to change. And if they don't want to change, what our society needs to do as well is the people they're harming, giving them the tools to get out.
Exactly.
So I think we said everything we need to say.